Hearing aid batteries nowadays are referred to as zinc air batteries. The batteries work as a chemical reaction activated by air. When you first get your hearing aid battery, it has a little seal on the back, and in order to activate the battery, you need to take the seal off. And you need to allow at least a minute before you put the hearing aid battery into the hearing aid. So the first thing to do is take the tabs off the back. By the way, once you take the tabs off, you can't put them back. And for your interest, on the back of the battery, if you look a bit closer, there's a little plus sign, and on these batteries there's two little holes either side. Those little dimples, they're actually very small holes, and those holes allow air to get inside the battery for the chemical reaction to work. The hearing aid batteries will last for a while, and even if they're not used, after a month they'll probably be as flat as a pancake. So while the air gets into those batteries, let's go for taking the batteries out of these hearing aids. These are an NHS aid, a Stretta M. On these aids, the battery compartment also acts as the on-off. To open and get the battery out, open it fully, and you find very often that the hearing aid batteries won't fall out. So either poke it with your finger, or I've got a little small brush here. So let's brush that battery out. Let's do the other one. Move those batteries out there, we don't want to get confused. Now the other batteries have probably been working about a minute. A lot of people find getting the batteries in a bit fiddly. So this particular tool, it's a wax tool, has a little battery magnet on the side. So if you attach it onto the magnet, put it into there, slide that off, shut that in. So that's one battery in, and now got that wrong way around. So let's open that up. Oops. Jumping hearing aids. Put that in there, slide it off, shut it up. So there we are. That's replacing two batteries into a Stretta hearing aid.